Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this episode, we are gonna be learning how to add friends on Candy Crush Saga. To add friends on Candy Crush Saga, follow the steps till the end of the video. Get started by launching open your Candy Crush Saga app on your device. Make sure that you're inside the home page after logging in with either Facebook or your King account or Apple ID. Once you are logged in, go ahead and tap on the Friends button located at the bottom of the screen, and then from the Add section, you will be able to see list of players with similar progress as yours. To quickly add those friends, tap the Add button right next to their name, and you will be able to send friend requests to the person. Once the player accepts your friend request, you will be able to add them inside your friend list in Candy Crush Saga. If the person you are trying to add is not available in Candy Crush Saga yet, simply tap on the invite button in blue at the top. You can then go ahead and select one of the contacts in the pop-up or choose one of the social messaging apps you would like to send an invitation on. Choose applications like Messenger, WhatsApp, etc. and select a contact you would like to invite to Candy Crush Saga. After choosing the contact, tap on Send at the top right. Now you will be able to send the invitation link to the selected contact. If they join in with the help of your invitation link, both of you will be able to be friends in Candy Crush Saga. So that was how you can easily add friends on Candy Crush Saga. But if you are using a Facebook account to connect within the game, then once you have connected your Facebook account with Candy Crush Saga, all of your friends from your Facebook will also be added on Candy Crush Saga if they currently play the game. They will automatically appear in your Candy Crush friends list if their game is connected to Facebook as well. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more tutorials like this. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.